what I want to share with you is this concept of the Dream 1000 we've spoken about, and finding those ideal 1,000 people on LinkedIn in particular. But really from there, what the process of the engagement in terms of the messaging and also the content is to uncover the 100 to 150 disciples. And when I say disciple, I mean like they're devoted to the outcome that you can help them achieve. They're not devoted to you, but they're devoted to the outcome. So in the case that they want to upgrade their house or get an investment property, for example, through your content and through your messaging, the objective is just to uncover who the people are that actually want that. Now, not everybody of those Dream 1000 are going to be in the market to do so, but we just want to uncover who those people are and show them a disproportionate amount of love. Because of those 150 odd people, we can realistically expect to get a handful of clients from that, because they're going down that path anyway. They're going to upgrade their place. They're going to get an investment property regardless. It's just a matter of, are they going to do it with your help? And so to just get a 5% or 2%, 3 or 4% of that is a reasonable expectation. And so that's where, obviously in this top level, we've got the outreach and the connection to connect with the right people. Then we've got the private messages, the DMs and the content, and also the newsletter. Because you will get an understanding of, firstly, who responds to your DMs, who engages with your content, and who subscribes to your newsletter. And you can obviously tell from their name, their location, their job title, are they an appropriate prospective client? Obviously, there's some random people that are never going to be a fit because they might live in the wrong country. But others, you're going to go, oh, wow, okay, so they're engaging with me. Maybe it's worth me showing them some more love, reaching out to them, calling them up, whatever else, inviting them to something.
Yep.
And it's just each bit of content, it's very rare to hit a home run and go from like a stranger to a client with one piece of content. But what is...
Why not, Adam?
I know. I know. But what is realistic is to advance people step by step along this journey. So every one of these 1,000 people, they may just be getting one step further down this funnel.
Yeah.
And
so the following's conceptually clear. It's just moving them, I think, from one segment to the next.
100%. And that's where we're going to introduce, we're going to start reaching out to the people first. And then we introduce our conversation starter message, which is part of the 5-step nurture system. And then we'll activate the newsletter. And then each piece of content that we create can have a call to action on it as well, whether it's to leave a comment or to message you or whatever. But we introduce those baby steps so that each of these blue arrows, it's small, but it's got low friction and it's easy for them, or it's easy for the right people.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Right. So that's the journey that we're going to be taking people on.
So